What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM. What we're looking at today is an 8.5 gallon auxiliary fuel tank for all of the Polaris Pro models. That's Pro R, Pro S, Turbo R, and Pro XP models. If you have that 2 or 4 seat model, we have an auxiliary fuel tank that's 8.5 gallons that's engineered far more superior than any fuel tank. I think this is probably crazier than any factory fuel tank's ever been. This goes in the factory dash location. This is all stainless hardware. You've got bracketry, frame rail supports. We've got bracketry out the bottom of the tank. This is a auto clicking Kelch fuel cap. We've got a bunch of proprietary built in-house AN fittings. This is not anything off the shelf. This is all stuff built for this tank, for this chassis. Stainless fuel pickup, 6mm rotomolded fuel tank. And the most important thing, you're not losing any of your dash. It doesn't matter if you have a 22 to 24 Gen 1 Pro model or a 25 on up Gen 2 Pro model, you still get your dash space. We're gonna jump into this car, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here's the gas tank in the car. And it's kind of hard to show you what we have going on. But like I said, you still have full function of your dash, whether you've got a Gen 1 or Gen 2 Pro model. All of this stuff still works. You got keys, we got wallets, I got a Sharpie down in there. You can throw all your stuff in there, your cell phones, whatever you want. We've got room for it all still. Keys, factory tools, you can still fit it in this dash. Nothing bouncing around. You still have full utilization of the dash. And that's really important to us because we spend a lot of time building ABS molds like this. This is what's going to be in your dash to allow you to run the fuel tank and have your dash. You spill a little fuel, we know that's a lot of guys' worries. This drains out the front of the firewall. Again, stainless steel nipple, so you've got a drain port for it. This little hole right here, that's for this little guy right here. And even though the 25 models hold their own dash up, the 22, 24 models don't, we include this. We solely believe this is the most complete, the most sophisticated fuel tank kit probably ever brought to the side-by-side market. And we're gonna continue to keep engineering and building cool things like this. So this is the 8.5 gallon version. We have, 4.5 gallon auxiliary fuel tank, 6 gallon auxiliary fuel tank. We've got a 2-seat behind the seat, 4.5 gallon tank, soon to be a 6 gallon tank. Obviously Can-Am models, we've got a huge lineup of fuel tanks for them. So I guess what I'm saying is we've been kind of paving the way for auxiliary fuel tanks for these, not just auxiliary fuel tanks, but OEM replacement tanks too. We've been taking out factory tanks, putting in our tanks as well. We've been paving the way for that. This is our latest creation. So this is huge for the Polaris guys. If you have a subwoofer, obviously you're gonna have to lose that in the sake of fuel capacity. But like I said, we have other options for guys who want to run a subwoofer in the back, or you want to put yours in the dash. We've got rear tanks too. So this tank, there's no cutting involved, no modifying, no losing anything. This is a straight drop-in tank. Another worry was, well, I'm going to lose foot space, or I'm going to lose, knee and shin room. So hop to the other side of the car. I'm 6'2". I'm going to sit in this car. I'm going to show you just how much room you still have. You lose nothing. There you go. I'm a 6'2" adult. This is the factory seat all the way back up. I have this same tank in my 22 Pro R 4-seater with PRP seats. Same thing. You're not losing. You have no worries there. So you guys got questions? Drop them in the comment section. Message us, email us. Jump on the website, rpmsidebyside.com. Order yourself one of these, check out some pictures. We've got instructions that are included with this. I mean, this is not just a fuel tank. You're getting an external 1.3 gallon per minute fuel pump. That's an extremely fast pumping pump. You have a plug and play harness with a momentary switch. You have every single fuel fitting, fuel line that you need is included. Every bracket you need to fit this in your car, all the dash pieces, whether you have a Gen 1 or Gen 2 Pro model, it's included. I think you all can agree this is a well-engineered and a very affordable setup. So pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com.